Ever wondered how you can help save our bees? Good news, you can, right from your garden. These tiny creatures are vital pollinators, but sadly, they're in trouble. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden can make a significant difference. Let's dive into how. Every great garden starts with the right plants. The secret to a pollinator-friendly garden lies in choosing native and non-invasive plants. These plants, blooming at different times of the year, ensure that your garden is a year-round feast for bees. And did you know? Bees are particularly attracted to blue, purple, and yellow flowers. So when planning your garden, consider adding a splash of these colors. It's simple. More variety in your garden means more buzzing visitors. Remember, more variety means more visitors. Bees need more than just pollen and nectar. They also crave a refreshing drink. Providing a water source is simple. Just a shallow dish filled with pebbles and water does the trick. A small oasis can be a big help for our buzzing friends. Creating a safe space for bees is just as important as providing food and water. The key is to reduce, or better yet, eliminate the use of pesticides. These harmful chemicals can disrupt a bee's sense of direction and even poison them. Establishing bee-friendly habitats is also crucial. You can create patches of bare ground for ground nesting bees, or set up bee hotels for those that prefer a little bit of luxury. Remember, when bees feel at home, they'll help your garden thrive. Making your garden a haven for bees doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as adding pollinator-friendly plants, providing a refreshing watering hole, and creating a safe habitat. With these steps, you're not only beautifying your garden, but also contributing to the well-being of our buzzing friends. Remember, every flower counts. Your garden can be part of the solution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.